Hey everyone, welcome back to the Coding Wallah. How's the fire to get the job? We have got a new hiring opportunity from startups for freshers. So without wasting your time, let's move to the hirings. First we have from Persistent. Persistent is hiring for Java developer. The location is Pune. Here is about the company. You can read this all. Here is about the position. You can read this also. Let's talk about the responsibility of the candidate that handle in day-to-day life. You have to contribute to all phases of development lifecycle and have to write well-designed, testable, efficient code, and with that ensure designs are compliant with the specification. Additionally, prepare and produce releases of software component. Let's talk about the requirements for this role. You have development skills in language and framework and strong coding skills in core Java 8 and expertise in J2EE. Have some experience in Spring Boot, Spring Data, JPA, Hibernate. Additionally, expertise in REST API and good understanding of RDBMS and many more. You can read this all. Here is about the benefits to join Persistent. You can read this all also. This is for freshers. If you are interested for this role, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Next we have from WebSenor. WebSenor is hiring Java Spring Boot developer. Here is about the responsibility of the candidate that handle in day-to-day life. So let's discuss about that. You have to design enterprise solution using Java, JEE, Spring Boot and many more. Additionally, work on designing patterns and developing highly scalable enterprises level web application and Java Spring Boot implementation and good programming skill using JSON web service. So let's talk about the requirements for this role. You have some IT experience in implementing Java and hands-on experience in design pattern and have some experience in implementing Java Spring Boot in some project, excellent Java 8 and many more. You can read this all. This is also for freshers, so just go and apply. Next we have from Dataction Analyst Private Limited. Dataction is hiring for junior software engineer. Here is about the Dataction. You can read this all, and here is about the job purpose. You can read this also. Let's talk about the responsibility of the candidate. You will have deep involvement in each phases of software testing lifecycle, and also you will be responsible for testing. Additionally, you will handle analysis, designing, executing test script. So let's talk about the required qualification for this role. 0 to 2 year of experience in software quality assurance and have hands-on experience in designing, executing test cases. Additionally, hands-on experience in test project management tool. Another related requirement here is Bachelor of Computer IT Engineering. Similarly, BSc, BCA, MSc. Here is why you should join Dataction. You can read this all. This role is also for fresher level. So if you are interested for this role, just go and apply. Here it is how you prepare for interview. You can read this all and just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Next we have from StatsPerform. StatsPerform is hiring software engineer 1. Here is about the responsibility. You can read this all, and here is the requirements for this role. So just read it and apply for this role if you are interested about this job. So bye bye, best of luck for your assessment round and interview.